Musk is not a happy boy as Tesla stock slumps. All that and more in our daily roundup.
With Focus on Investing.
On investing, where we cover all of the latest trending stocks, cryptocurrencies, forex pairs, and commodities. We release these videos as soon as we record them. So if you're one of the lucky ones to have received the notification, then you know that these opportunities are probably still available. If you don't want to miss out on any opportunities, then make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the bell icon so you could be notified as soon as these videos drop. We know that the year 2023 is just around the corner, and there's a saying, those who fail to prepare to fail. So if you want to make sure that your 2023 is way better than your 2022 and you want to prepare yourself and have a more successful financial year, then make sure you go to Focus on Investing.io. If you'd like the opportunity to get involved with an expanding, unique, and dynamic community of successful investors, then go to focusoninvesting.io, where we will help you to acquire the exciting benefits of owning a trader's lifestyle. Without further ado, let's get into the charts. All right, we know that the markets are still open, so we will see that prices will be changing as we will review. But with that said, let's get into it. All right, the first chart that we're looking at is AMC Holdings. Well, let's start here. We're going to start with SPY, which is the SPDR S&P 500 ETF trust. Current price is 399.20. We're up 1.17 the day, percent off of our high. In bridge, but up moving average and 20 simple moving average. Again, price, and we can see we've got our channels here listed of 410 and 362. So we're trading just in between that channel here. Next chart is QQQ, Invesco QQQ Trust. Current price is 285.08. We're currently up 1.13% for the day. And we're down off of our high 29%. And we can see that price again. And similar, all of these trusts that are based off of the NASDAQ are going to be very similar. Price trading below our 200 simple moving average, above our 50 simple moving average, and 20 simple moving average. And then we can see that price is just trading. We've got these two levels of resistance above price and this pivot level here at 268 just below price, acting as a level of support. Our next chart is SPDR, Dow Jones Industrial Average ETF, ticker symbol DIA. Current price is 340.75, currently up 1.1% for the day. And we see that price is just broken into our little channel between the 5.4 and the 3.2 area. We see that price is being held down by this little area of resistance here at the 342 number. And we see that price is forming a little area of channel in between by this peak here, and we can see price is going to be moving sideways for a little while as we trend in between this channel and trading above all three moving averages. Our next chart is ARKK, ARK Innovation ETF. Current price is $34.98. We're currently down 0.63% for the day, and we're down 67.873% off of our high. Again, price has been moving quite flat in between our little channel that we've got here. Price is bearish and sideways, so off sideways movement as we have a lot of areas of support and resistance above price. It's going to be a struggle for price to raise up, trading along the levels of the 20 simple moving average. Our next chart that we're looking at is AMC International, so AMC Entertainment Holdings Inc., ticker symbol AMC. Current price $7.24, and we're down 0.48% for the day. And again, we can see that we're down 71.9% off of our high. We can see that price is currently trading very much sideways, had a spike and recently back down. See, we've got this between $9 and $6.94, and price seems to be just hovering between this channel. We can also see that our 200 simple moving average is also our resistance and moving. Our next chart is APE and Also AMC Entertainment Holdings. Current price point is $1.25, and we're down 1.18% on the day. Again, this chart is just basically gone very bearish. We've got a little bounce that happened around the $1.55 number, a little bit of a pullback, and then we've just broken down through that level, and we found a level of support at the $1.25 level. Long enough information to have our hold. Our next chart is GameStop Corporation, ticker symbol GME. Current price point is $25.87, and we're up 2.82% for the day, but we're down 58% off of our high for the year. We can also see that price is, hovering in between our channels of $29.85 and this pivot level of around $23.43. Current price is in red trend filter trading of our 50 simple moving average and just trading below our 2. Our next chart is Bed Bath & Beyond, ticker symbol BBBY. Current price point is $3.14, and we see that price is actually down, or it's actually up 0.8% for the day, and we're down 89.571% off of our yearly high. Again, price is tailing its way to the downside, and we're ready. If we move to our next chart is NIO Inc., ticker symbol NIO. Current price point is $9.90, and we're currently down 1.05% for the day, and we're currently down 77% off of our yearly high. Price just here has formed like a spike. We've hit like a double top. This bounces off our resistance level, pivot resistance level of $11.63. So price struggling to break up higher. Again, trading around the 20 simple moving average, but trading below the 200 simple moving average and our 50 simple moving average. So it seems that price is finding a level of support, and hopefully price can bounce off of that and move on to the upside. Our next chart is Apple Inc., ticker symbol AAPL. Current price point $149.89, and we're currently up 1.26% for the day and down, I think that's 18% off of our high. Let's say, yeah, 18% off of our yearly high. Because that currently price is just trading above our 50 simple moving average. We're getting a level of support of our 50 simple moving average and our 20 simple moving average, just holding price at the moment, that and our 200 simple moving average and our level of resistance of $157.88. And we see that we're on a green trend filter as well. Our next chart is Amazon.com Inc. Current ticker symbol is AMZN. Current price point is $92.77, and we're up 0.34% for the day, but down 48.934% off of our yearly high. We said trend filter is red, and price is just tailing to the downside, moving averages. We saw a little bounce here off of the $85 price. I'll pull back to our resistance level. Pivot resistance level, which is also coincides with our 20 simple moving average, and we're seeing a bit of a bounce to the downside. Our next chart is Microsoft Inc. or Microsoft Corp, ticker symbol MSFT. Current price point is 244.31, and we're currently up 0.93% for the day, but down 29.042% off of our yearly high. The trend filter is green as price is just spiked up and bounced above our 50 simple moving average, the level of resistance here. So sandwich between our level of resistance and our 50 simple moving average. Our next chart is NVDA Corporation, ticker symbol NVDA. Current price point is $159.36, and we can see that we're up 4.04% for the day. We can see that the current trend filter is green as price is trending above our 20 simple moving average and our 50 simple moving average, but trading below our moving average and just a level of resistance at $165.05. We're currently down 52.311% off of our yearly high. Our next chart is Tesla, Tesla Inc., symbol TSLA, and our headline stock. We can see that up 740. This price over since the of September, we'll see a massive tanking in price. You see from here, we were trading in between our little highlight channel here, and then price just tanked below it on the 22nd of September. And you can see that price broke down below all three moving averages. All the three moving averages were trading above the same area at the $290 mark, and then we saw price break down through that level as a level of resistance, and then just tanked all the way down. So we can see all red trend filter down 57.983% off of our yearly high. Our next chart on our first of the cryptocurrencies is Bitcoin against the United States dollar from Coinbase. Ticker symbol BTC USD. Current price point is 16139.72. And we're actually up 2.41% for the day. We're down 66.539% of our yearly high. And we see that Bitcoin is just found a level of resistance, a level of support at 16143.32. And again, we've got quite a few levels of resistance above price. We have our pivot level. We have these two levels of resistance. We also have our 50 simple moving average and our 20 simple moving average. So above that, we have our 200 simple moving average, and also we have our key pivot resistance level. So quite a few levels of resistance above current price. Our next chart is Ethereum against the United States dollar from Coinbase, ticker symbol ETH USD. Current price point is 1128.48, and we're currently up 2.08% for the day and down 68.481% off of our yearly high. Again, similar story. Price is moving quite sideways. Seem to have found a bit of a base at 1128, just below the 1200 level. And again, plenty areas of resistance above price with all three average levels of resistance, including a pivot support and resistance level. Our next chart is Shiba Inu against the United States dollar from Coinbase, ticker symbol SHIB USD. Current price point is 0.00000871, and we're up 3.69% for the day. Similar story, sideways movement, found a base at our current price point, which is also a pivot level, and we've got the all three moving averages trade of resistance. Our next chart is SHIB, and it's Luna against Binance USD from current price point is 0.00016115, and we're currently trading up 6.41% for the day. And we see that price is just tailing off to the downside slightly, but again, similar to all the cryptos we've seen, it's kind of almost moving sideways and creating a base around price level. Also, that coincides with our pivot resistance level as we see it from this date back in the 26th of September, and we see that price is just trading below two moving averages with plenty levels of price. Looking at our first Forex pairs, we agree simple GUS price point is 1.18880, and we're currently up 0.56% for the day, but down 13.53% off of our yearly high. You can see that price has been good over the past few days as we're green in our trend filter and saw a bit of growth. Again, just leveling off on that growth as we trade above both of our moving averages and trade off 50 simple moving average, and also our pivot resistance level at 1.23072. Our next chart is a Forex pair of the United States dollar against the Japanese yen, ticker symbol USDJPY. Current price point is 141.18, currently down 0.65% for the day and down 7% off of our yearly high. Price has gone through the tank, had a very bad day on the 10th of November. Price just trying to show a little bit of this channel of 139.373 and 147.733. Our first commodity is gold. We're looking at CFDs on gold, ticker symbol GOLD. Current price is 1738.63. And we're actually just up 0, only down 16.02% off of our yearly high. Bit of a rally since the 4th of November. price raise all the way up to the 1784 price point, and we're just seeing a bit of a retracement. Hopefully we'll see price to continue to bounce, at least bounce off of our level of support, which is 1721, and bounce onto the upside. But again, we've got these two levels of resistance above us with the 20 simple moving average and the pivot resistance level of 1807.58. Our next chart is CFDs on WTI crude oil, ticker symbol USOIL. Current price point is 81.08, currently at 1.08% for the day. And we see that we're down off of our high by 37%. And we see our trend filter is red. Again, price, in this little channel between our $92.69 area and our $76 area. A lot of sideways movement, bouncing up and down, just bounce off of our support level and bouncing back to the upside. Price trend filter currently trading below our 50 simple moving average and our 20 simple moving average. And again, trading in between this little channel. All right, that covers all of our charts for today. Again, if you want to look more in depth in our reviews, then check out this video here on your screen, where we're going to in-depth into an individual. Want to see our daily covering of all of the markets, then check out this other video on screen. And again, guys, if you guys want to prepare and get yourself ready for a better financial future in 2023, then make sure you go to focusinvest.io. All right, ladies and gentlemen, thank you for joining us and take care.